Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hey everyone, if you're trading with Zerodha, understanding brokerage charges is absolutely essential. While their fees are generally low, every rupee counts, especially when you're making frequent trades. These small charges, plus taxes, can quickly add up, directly impacting your overall profit or loss. Knowing exactly what you're paying helps you make more informed decisions about your investments and strategy, ensuring you keep more of your hard-earned money. Zerodha operates on a very transparent pricing model, which is a big reason many traders choose them. For equity delivery trades, meaning when you hold shares overnight, there are absolutely no brokerage charges. However, for intraday equity and futures and options, or F&O trades, they charge a flat fee. This fee is a maximum of 20 rupees per executed order, regardless of the trade value, making it quite predictable for active traders. Once your trades are complete, the best place to see a full breakdown of all charges is your Zerodha console. Just log in, then head over to the Reports section. From there, you can easily select your trade book or your P&L report for a specific period. This will clearly show you every single charge applied to your transactions, including brokerage, SDT, stamp duty, and other government levies, giving you a transparent view of your costs. Before you even place a trade, you can estimate all your charges using Zerodha's highly useful online brokerage calculator. You'll find this tool directly on their website. Simply input details like the stock, quantity, and buy and sell prices, and it will instantly show you an estimated breakdown of all applicable charges, including brokerage, taxes, and other fees. This is a fantastic way to plan your trades more accurately and understand your potential costs upfront. To wrap things up, being proactive about understanding your Zerodha charges is key to smart investing. Always remember to check your detailed statements on the Zerodha console after your trades, and don't forget to use their handy online brokerage calculator for estimating costs before you even start. Staying informed about all fees and taxes, not just brokerage, will ultimately help you maximize your returns and trade with greater confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.